The market wisdom: Nifty's last 2 days sprint has lifted sentiments across sectors and stocks, and most importantly, have flipped from nervousness to complacent market thanks to the finalization of the India-European Union Free Trade Agreement, FTA. Our call of the day: Nifty may waver during the session, but all bullish eyes are on the most powerful minister in PM Narendra Modi's cabinet, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, as markets await pro-growth cues from the union budget. Streets' expectation: measures to boost consumption and support economic growth, while staying on the fiscal consolidation path. Note: the Union Budget will be presented this Sunday, 1st February 2026, special trading session, 9:15 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. Meanwhile, Wall Street continues to power ahead, with the S&P 500 hitting a fresh record high near the 7,000 mark. Bottom line: Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman carries the singular responsibility of reassuring global investors that Prime Minister Narendra Modi's reform momentum and India's growth story remains firmly intact. Market trends: the global cues are positive. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 480 crores, while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 3360 crores. Sentiments are likely to be neutral for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals suggest massive consolidation. FANO January month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 24,500 and 26,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index has cooled towards 13.52 levels. At last check, USD INR, February, has spiked near the 92.08 levels. Nifty PCR, 24th February, is at 1.09 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 24th February, is at 1.10. Nifty outlook: an up and down session is quite likely, but the silver lining is that downside is likely to remain limited. What technicals tells on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP to 5343. Biggest intraday support for Nifty is now placed at 25,100 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 25,507 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 25,200 and 25500. Bias for the day is neutral. Sensex, CMP 82345. Biggest intraday support for Sensex is now placed only at 81,666 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 83,000 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 81,808 to 800. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 59599. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 59,150 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 60,437 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 59,100 and 60100. Bias for the day is positive. Stock market news. The numbers are in, and the verdict is out. The numbers. As widely anticipated, the US Federal Reserve left the federal funds rate unchanged at the 3.5%, 3.75% target range in its January 2026 meeting. The central bank paused its easing cycle after 3 consecutive rate cuts last year that pushed borrowing costs to their lowest level since 2022. The verdict. Wall Street finished higher after the Fed opted for pause on the rate. Here are Q3 FY26 corporate earnings to trickle in this Thursday, 29th January. Tata Motors, Swiggy, TD Power System, REC, Paytm, Prestige Estates, KPIT Systems, ITC, IEX, Adani Power, Canara Bank, Dabur, Colpal, Container Corporation, Deepak Fertilizer. Stocks in spotlight. 1. Defense stocks were star outperformers on Wednesday, with Bharat Electronics Ltd, BAIL, plus 9%, BEML rising 10%, driven by broad-based buying across the sector. The strong momentum pushed the Nifty India Defence Index up by around 7.27% during the session. The positive catalyst: the finalization of the India-European Union Free Trade Agreement, FTA. 2. Asian Paints, minus 4.22%, 2,512 rupees. Asian Paints posted a standalone net profit of 1,414.89 crore rupees for the quarter ended December 2025, down 4% from 1,476.22 crore rupees a year earlier. The stock has lost 11.34% over last 1 month compared to 6.72% fall in BSE Consumer Durables Index and 3.31% drop in the Sensex. 3. TVS Motor, plus 4.68%, 3,735 rupees. TVS Motors reported 49% year-on-year (YoY) rise in its consolidated net profit, surging to 841 crore rupees in December FY26 from 566 crore rupees last year same period. Meanwhile, revenue from operations also rose as much as 34% in the December quarter, rising to 14,756 crore rupees. Operating revenue surged nearly 37% YoY, jumped to 12,476 crore rupees for the quarter ended December 2025, up from 9,097 crore rupees in the corresponding quarter a year earlier. 4. SBI Card, plus 1.48%, 782 rupees. SBI Card Q3 FY26 results, profit jumps 45% to 557 crore rupees, revenue up 11%. SBI Cards and Payment Services Q3 net interest income, NII, stood at 2,591 crore rupees during the quarter, up 17% year-on-year, YoY, and 5% sequentially. 5. Larsen & Toubro, LANTI, plus 0.16%, 3,794 rupees. Net profit falls 4% to 3,215 crore rupees, revenue up 10%. Larsen & Toubro, LANTI, reported a consolidated net profit of 3,215 crore rupees for Q3 FY26, marking a 4% YoY fall from 3,358.84 crore rupees net profit reported in Q3 FY25.